Hello, my name is Maktunu, the Chief Executive Officer of Agriculture at Cornerstone. I'm here to introduce to you briefly Agriculture at Cornerstone. Agriculture at Cornerstone is a CBO that will focus mainly in agricultural development, environmental conservation, and cultural maintenance. The reason as to why I've decided to choose agriculture, culture, and environment is because I've seen that these three key elements interlink each other. You really need the culture. You need to change the people's mindset. You need to tell the people that their rudimentary method of farming will not drive to agricultural development. And by that, you need to influence their culture so that you can practice modern agriculture. And we need to conserve the environment such that agriculture can survive in a good environment. We all know climate change has come. We all know there are a lot of diseases, food insecurity. All those challenges can be addressed through agriculture by looking at culture and environment. Second, via culture, we need to train the people that those traditional methods of producing like 11 kids, 15 kids, will only give everybody onto our environment, which direct result into the problems that we really see on agriculture. The arable lands are getting destroyed. Therefore, it has led to the birth of Agriculture at Cornerstone. I will explain more into details. More updates will come about the constitution, about the slogan, and so many more. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.